This is probably the biggest mistake that tech companies make when they're creating product demo videos. They make them so freaking boring. The solution? Just make them interactive. What's up? I'm Travis, and I have produced tons of product demo videos over the years that have generated hundreds of thousands of views for tech companies, and I'm always on the lookout for ways to make them more engaging, more interesting, more effective at drawing in users. Because you see, most product videos, they just feature dump. They don't really care about the end user. So I've been on the hunt for a tool that fixes this, and I think I found it with Storylane, a way for me to tap into powerful psychological principles like dual coding theory, constructivism, or active learning. In other words, I want to turn demos into sticky, product-led retention machines. Let's hop over to Storylane's website and take a look at what their website header says, which is build killer product demos in 10 minutes. That's a pretty bold claim, right? In fact, I did create an interactive demo for my company, motionapp.com, in less than 10 minutes, and it was really easy to use. Let me show you. I just downloaded the Chrome extension here, pulled up Motion's interface, a few clicks later, and I got an interactive demo. And after playing around with Storylane's interactive demo features, I heard that they are teasing out a new functionality for setting up multiple demos all housed in one place, which is huge because we all know that it takes more than one demo to truly educate today's buyers. And this makes sense for me over at Motion, where I'm trying to create demo videos for multiple personas who have different use cases for each instance of Motion. I'm personally super interested in what Storylane is building because I need more than just a one-off interactive demo. I need to layer in different logic-based explorations of our product. That way, potential users can navigate their way through various scenarios and features at their own pace. I just know that the product team and the sales team at Motion are gonna love me for using Storylane.